7 exercise 17a from question number 3. First of all, we have to make a rough figure. Name of the quadrilateral is A, B, C, D. AB given as 3.5 centimeter, BC 3.8, CD equals to DA. CD is 4.5 and DA also given as 4.5. BD we have got 5.6. So we have to make this triangle first of all. How to make this? Draw a line of 3.5 centimeter. After that, rough side 4.5 centimeter line, measure it, and then from here you can cut it. From B to D, the name of the side, length of the side is 5.6. Again we have to measure it. Now we have to keep the pointer at B from here, and then we have to cut it. Later on you can join these two lines. And you can name it. This is D, this is A, here we have got B. From D to BC, the length of the side is given as 4.5. So draw a line 4.5 and 3.8. So first of all, 3.5, see here, 4.5, keep your pointer at this place and cut it. From the other side, BC given as 3.8, I have made a line here, measure it. Keeping a pointer at B, we have to cut it. Now we can join these two lines. And after that we can name it A, B, C, D. This is a quadrilateral. Sides are also given here. 3.8, here 4.5, sorry 4.5, here also 4.5, and this we have got 5.6. Same way, question number 4. ABC is given as quadrilateral. We have got it. A, B, C and D. AB 3.6, BC 3.3, AD 2.8, AC and BD here it is given. AC as 4.6 and then BD also we have got it. What is that? 4 centimeter. So how to make this? So first of all, we have to make a line that is 3.6 centimeter. So let us make. The length of the line is 3.6 centimeter. And then A and B we can write it. The length of the line is 3.6 centimeter. From B, we have to cut 3.3 towards C. Make a line 3.3. Just you can measure it. Keeping the pointer at B, cut like this. Then from A to C given as 4.6. Draw a line 4.6. Again measure it. Keeping a pointer at A, we have to cut it. After that you can measure also, just to join those two lines. So this is the point C. Again same condition towards this. From A to D given as 2.7. 2.7 we can measure it. Keeping at pointer A, 2.7. And from B to D given as 4. So this is what called 4 centimeter of the line. Measure it. Keeping a pointer at B, we have to cut it. Now we can join this two from here. If you want to join like this, you can. And after that, those 2 points we have to join it so that we can make a quadrilateral. This is what called D. Rest of the things we can write it. This was given as 3.3 centimeter. Here 2.7 centimeter. This was given as 4 centimeter and this as 4.6 centimeter.